Fox Sports on Apple TV changed in 2026. The native route is now Fox One. AirPlay still matters as a backup, and full live TV services only make sense when you need a wider channel lineup than Fox, FS1, and FS2. Start with Fox One. Open the App Store on Apple TV, search for Fox One, install it, and sign in. If your provider carries Fox, use that login. If not, the standalone Fox One plan covers Fox, FS1, and FS2. The reason this matters is the app change. Fox says the Fox Sports app on TVs and connected devices ended on May 7, 2026. The mobile app still works, so an iPhone, iPad, or Mac can still become your backup path. For AirPlay, start the stream on your phone, tablet, or Mac. Then choose your Apple TV from AirPlay or screen mirroring. Keep both devices on the same Wi-Fi network. If the source is weak, AirPlay will only mirror that weak source. For more than Fox networks, use a live TV app. YouTube TV, Fubo, Hulu Plus Live TV, and Sling Blue all work. Local Fox depends on zip code. Check the Apple TV model before you blame the app. Apple TV 4K boxes are the safest choice for Fox One and 4K sports streams. Apple TV HD runs at 1080p, and older boxes that cannot install apps should use AirPlay. Most Fox One problems are simple. If activation fails, request a fresh code. If you get black screen with audio, force close the app and restart Apple TV. If Fox says content is unavailable in your area, turn off VPN and check local restrictions. The bottom line is focused first, bigger bundles second. Fox One is the quickest path to Fox, FS1, and FS2. AirPlay protects older boxes. Live TV bundles are for households that need more than Fox Sports. The full Apple TV setup guide, live TV comparison, AirPlay fallback, and troubleshooting order are on smarttvs.org.